Hi, this is Bill with Machinery Consultants out in Salt Lake City, Utah. We'd like to thank you for your time in reviewing this video on the American Lathe 21.5 by 102, serial number 78910-70. This happens to be our stock number 9615. We're going to go ahead and start the machine up at 23 RPMs and run through a full speed range and engage some feeds in the half nut as well. Go ahead, Frankie. .156 RPM. This machine has a full speed range with 27 changes from 23 to 1500.
217.
What's the RPM?
217.
217. While we're doing this, I'd like to point out the condition of the ways. The ways up near the headstock look absolutely great. Condition of the cross slide. 300 RPM.
I'll show you the half nut.
Okay, we're engaging the half nut now. This machine is a hardway machine. It comes complete with the taper attachment with the bed clamp, built-in chip pan, 12-inch 3-jaw, 12-inch 4-jaw. Running some feeds. There's 66 changes on the feeds. It goes from .0913 to .0015. There's 66 threads on this machine, going from 2 to 120 TPI. 780 RPM. Let it run for 1 second. Let me get around there. Currently running at 1500 RPMs. So specification wise, again, the machine has 21.5 over the bed, 14 inches over the cross slide, 102 inches between centers. It has the 2 steady rests. The steady rest capacities are 12-inch on the large one, 6.5-inch on the small one, up to whole capacity. It also has a 17-inch faceplate. The condition on this machine is absolutely amazing. It came to us from long-time standby storage. It runs great, it looks magnificent, and it's going to be one incredible investment. Well, on behalf of Machinery Consultants, we'd like to point out the fact that we appreciate the time to review this video. Our website is www.machineryconsultants.com. You can also follow us on Facebook at Machinery Consultants. We're conveniently located in Salt Lake City, Utah. Our phone number is 801-531-9500. That's 801-531-9500. Let us know if there's anything else we can help out with. Thanks again. Have a great day.